Okay, so we're looking at the second video on Pythagoras, and this time we're looking at a thing called triads, Pythagorean triads, and proving triangles are or are not right-angled triangles. Okay, so let's look across. So the first thing with triads, they're not Greek drug gangs. Okay, just a joke. So when you've got three numbers that fit the theorem, then we call these a Pythagorean triad. So for instance, if we had the numbers 3, 4, 5, do they fit Pythagoras' theorem? So the first step is, whatever the largest number is, identify what the largest number is, and if it was going to be a right angle, then that would be the hypotenuse. So we say 5 squared, if it's going to be true, equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. So 5 squared is 25, 9 plus 16 equals 25. So 25 equals 25 is true. Okay, that's a true statement. So therefore 3, 4, 5 is a triad. Okay, so first step is identify the biggest number, and then that would go out the front, and then you square the other two numbers, and then if you got a left hand equals the right hand as true, then you have a triad. If it's not true, then it's not a triad. So let's copy that down and come across when you're ready. Okay, so is 1, 2, 3 a Pythagorean triad? Is 8, 15, 17 a Pythagorean triad? So what I want you to do is have a go yourself, pause the tape, do both of them, and when you're ready, come back live. Okay, so hopefully you've had a go. So 3 is the largest number, so 3 squared equals 1 squared plus 2 squared. So 3 squared is 9, 1 plus 4, 9 equals 5 is false. Therefore 1, 2, 3 is not a triad. Okay, so the next one. Okay, so looking at the next one, 17 is the biggest number. So 17 squared equals 8 squared plus 15 squared. 17 squared equals 289. 64, 225, 289. When you add those numbers, you get 289, which is true. So therefore, 8, 15, 17 is a Pythagorean triad. Okay, copy that down, and if you haven't copied it down already, copy it down and come across. So the next part of the video is proving a triangle is or is not a right angle. So for instance, even though I've drawn it, that is not indicated with a right angle, so you don't know, even though it looks like it, you don't know that it's a right angle, so you have to test the theory. So first thing is, look at the numbers 3, 5 and 7, and 7 is the biggest number, so 7 would have to go out the front by itself, and then you put 3 squared plus 5 squared. 7 squared is 49, 9, 25, 49 equals 34, which is false, therefore not a right angle triangle. Okay, so this statement here has to be true for it to be a right angle triangle. Me drawing it does not indicate a right angle, so you don't assume it. So let's have a look at another example. Okay, is 7, 24, 25 a right angle triangle? Can you have a go at yourself and see how you go? Okay, so we're back. So 25 is the biggest number. So 25 squared equals 7 squared plus 24 squared. 25 squared is 625. 49 and 576, I think. Yep, that's right. So 625 equals 625, and that's true. Therefore, we do have a right angle triangle. Okay, so there'll be an exercise to do either from the textbook or Moodle, and I'll give it to you. Okay, thanks, bye.